Also, a big thank you to the branding team for very kindly sending out to me this beautiful doormat. It's absolutely stunning. They come in 5 different designs and 2 different sizes. I went for this lovely one with the home sweet home on there. I absolutely adore it. I really like the colours of the little houses. I think they're really sweet. I also like the fact there's different fonts there. I think that's just a really nice little touch. The doormat itself is a rubber backed and it's non-slip, so this is not going to be slipping around all over the floor if it gets a bit wet. It is indoor or outdoor. It has a very sort of thin sort of tread, so if it's underneath your door, you're not going to have any issues closing your door, so it won't get stuck, which sometimes when they're too thick, it can make it very hard to close your door, which obviously what you don't want. But it's absolutely lovely. The quality of it is really stunning. It's very rough, so if you do have mucky shoes or wet shoes, it is going to pick up that rain and that mud to get your shoes nice and clean so you don't tread it through the house. And also the pattern here is like not just painted on, you can feel it's been embossed into the actual material. It's got a really nice interesting texture as well. This is indoor or outdoor, whatever you prefer, so wherever you feel it's going to look absolutely lovely, I'm sure. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much again for the team for sending this out to me. It's very nice. I really do appreciate it. I think it's going to look lovely in anyone's home. And yeah, absolutely stunning.